Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a beautiful smoky eye. I have prepared my skin. It's all perfect for makeup. Let's start with the eyes. So I'm prepping my eyes with primer from Smashbox. It will smoothen the base for further makeup and apply some base on it and then blend it. Blend to give it a smooth look and to create a nice base for makeup. This is very important to put primer and then you put base on it. After this your makeup pops out really well. For smoky eye, I will use this gel liner from Inglot. We'll apply this on from one corner to another corner of the eye. Then we'll apply it all over the eye till half. Then we'll blend it. We'll blend the above line so that it looks blended into the skin. Look, I have to blend it with very soft hands so that it looks neat, clean. As you're playing with black color, so you have to be very cautious about it. Now this is the eyeshadow. I've picked up the black eyeshadow from Morphe. Now I'm blending with powder. First I did the gel liner blending, then I am doing blending with powder. After this, to create the smoky effect, I'll blend this black color into brown. Now I'll pick the brown color from Juvia's palette. Now the basic concept of smoky eye is to go from dark to light. Dark black color, then the light color, then the lightest color, and going into the skin, just like the smoke effect. See, it's blended. We'll do both the eyes. Eyebrows are done. We'll start with the face. Putting primer all over my face to smoothen it. Then I'll conceal my face with MAC concealer. This is the concealing brush. I will sharpen my eyebrows by applying concealer around them so that they look more sharp and beautiful. Then I'll conceal my blemishes under my eyes, around the mouth, and then I'll blend it. I'll try to blend it very softly with some stippling and bouncing effect. See, little bounce with the help of blender. We can blend it with the help of fingertips also, but we will not touch our face with fingers. It's unhygienic. This is the foundation from Fenty Beauty. Applying all over my face and then I'll blend it. Do not forget your neck. Contouring and highlighting. Again blending. Again the whole key of makeup is blending. First I'll blend all the contouring parts. See, all the parts which were contoured are blended first. Then I'll change the side of the blender and then I'll blend the highlighted parts. It's all blended now. Now I'll powder my face to set the makeup under my eye. I'll apply this powder generously on my face so that my makeup is set properly to give it a matte effect. After this, I'll do a bronzing effect on my face using this bronzer from Hoola. I'll apply blush from NARS, very little amount. It's a very good blush, it blends very easily into the skin. I'll blend it with the bronzing part. Then I'll highlight with the help of highlighter. This is from Becca as well. So you can see everything is blended, everything is nice. So now we'll do the lower lash line of my eye, which was left before because I didn't do my makeup. Now I'll do my lower lash line. I'll blend black eyeshadow on both my eyes so that it doesn't look incomplete. It should be blended with the above eyelid as well. Then to give it more sharpen effect, we will apply black liner on my waterline. See the difference? We'll do the same with another eye as well. Now it will be more sharpened, more black, more smoky effect. Above the eye is also smoky effect. Lower lash line again smoky effect. It's a complete package of smoky eye. We apply mascara from Benefits. We'll apply on lower lash line as well. Now we'll complete the eye with the help of highlighter, highlighting the eyebrow. All the parts which are catching light will be highlighted so that it shines. It looks beautiful. We apply the eyelashes with smoky eye. Wow, it looks beautiful. Last but not the least, lipstick. As we have done smoky eye, so we'll give nude look to our lips. It's complete. Let your hair loose and look beautiful with this look and enjoy. How is it? Let me know everything about this makeup in the comment section. I'm waiting for the queries as well. All queries will be answered. Any queries about this look, please question me. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe the channel. Also like this video and please like this video and also comment me. Thank you.